Díomh gach duine. An seachtain seo beagmuid ag foghlaim faoi do cheantar, your area. An áiteanna bhfuil tú a do chónaí, the place where you live. Cá bhfuil tú a do chónaí? Shráidbhaile. Is shráidbhaile deas í? Is shráidbhaile deas í I Maille Átha Cliath. It's a nice village in Dublin. Shráidbhaile. Balliamore. Is Balliamore é? Is Balliamore é in aice le Baile Átha Cliath? It's a big town beside Dublin. Balliamore. Está títheachta. Is está títheachta é? Is está títheachta é cóngarachta? It's a housing estate close to. Está títheachta. Ulmhargacha. Tá ulmhargacha a gcuin. Tá ulmhargacha a gcuin in aice le muteach. We have a supermarket beside my house. Now we're going to have a look at té, the verb to go. It's an irregular verb. So you're going to notice that the aimsir caite, past tense, is very different looking from the aimsir loighreach, present tense, which is also very different looking from the aimsir áisneach, future tense. So just keep your eye out for these changes as we go along. Chui mé go dtí an tómharga inné. I went to the supermarket yesterday. Ulmhargacha. Búistéir. Tá búistéir a gcuin. Tá búistéir a gcuin trasna an bhóthar ó Mutheach. We have a butcher's across the road from my shop. Téim go dtí an búistéir gach seachtain. I go to the butcher every week. Búistéir. Grósair. Tá grósair a gcuin. Tá grósair a gcuin 5 nóiméad ó. We have a grocer's 5 minutes away from. Rocky mé go dtí an grósair amórach. I will go to the grocer tomorrow. Grósair. Siopa leabhar. Tá siopa leabhar a gcuin. Tá siopa leabhar a gcuin in aice leis an búistéir. We have a bookshop beside the butcher. Chúmar go dtí an siopa leabhar inné. We went to the bookshop yesterday. Siopa leabhar. Siopa éadaí. Tá siopa éadaí a gcuin. Tá siopa éadaí a gcuin cóngarach den siopa leabhar. We have a clothes shop close to the bookshop. Táimid go dtí an siopa éadaí gach mí. We go to the clothes shop every month. Siopa éadaí. Siopa spóirt. Tá siopa spóirt a gcuin. Tá siopa spóirt a gcuin trasna ón siopa éadaí. We have a sports shop across from the clothes shop. Rachamid go dtí an siopa spóirt ar an luan. We will go to the sports shop on Monday. Siopa spóirt. Pork. Tá pork a gcuin. Tá pork a gcuin 10 nóiméad ó. We have a park 10 minutes from. Chui siad go dtí an pork ar an Saturn. They went to the park on Saturday. Pork. Now pork can also mean field and it can also mean a playing pitch for football or rugby. Trá. Tá trá a gcuin. Tá trá a gcuin trasna an bhóthar ón scoil. We have a beach across the road from the school. Téann siad go dtí an trá gach lá. They go to the beach every day. Trá. Ionad siopadóireachta. Tá ionad siopadóireachta a gcuin. Rocky siad go dtí an ionad siopadóireachta. They will go to the shopping centre. Ionad siopadóireachta. Ionad spóirt. Tá ionad spóirt a gcuin. Tá ionad spóirt a gcuin cóngarach den scoil. We have a sports or leisure centre close to the school. Chui mé go dtí an ionad spóirt inné. I went to the sports centre yesterday. Unad sports. Linn snámha. Tá linn snámha a gcuin. Tá linn snámha a gcuin in aice leis an unad sport. We have a swimming pool beside the sports centre. Táimid go dtí an linn snámha gach deirgin. We go to the swimming pool every Thursday. Linn snámha. Picturelinn. Tá picturelinn a gcuin. Tá picturelinn a gcuin cúig nóméid ó Mutheach. We have a cinema 5 minutes from my house. Rocky May go dtí an picturelinn my bhreithlá. I will go to the cinema on my birthday. Picturelinn. Bialinn. Tá bialinn a gcuin. Tá bialinn a gcuin trasna an bhóthair ón picturelinn. We have a restaurant across the road from the cinema. Chuamar go dtí an bhialinn an Míseachaite. We went to the restaurant last month. Bialinn. Leabharlann. Tá leabharlann a gcuin. Tá leabharlann a gcuin in aice leis an bialinn. We have a library beside the restaurant. Téann siad go dtí an leabharlann gach seachtain. Leabharlann. Siopa bréagán. Tá siopa bréagán a gcuin. Tá siopa bréagán a gcuin trasna ón leabharlann. We have a toy shop across from the library. Rachamid go dtí an siopa bréagán amórach. We will go to the toy shop tomorrow.